shadows of the mountain gloomer, where the light is getting dimmer, making sword and hammer, bow and arrow, axes that glimmers. We work and we work. In the days and in the night, in the dark, it's alright. Earn a living.
There's so much music in all of us. We were born with music, but we lost it along the way because we're searching for other things. We are in the process of putting together all this sound. It's a very intricate situation because we are putting a very organic music into the electronic world. This is about putting together all the experiences that I had in the past. And through Language of the Birds, which is our project now, we hope to reach out to the community and then help them open up within themselves and maybe help them achieve whatever goals they have set when they were much younger. Always be aware of your surrounding and always be aware of the audience that you are addressing, and always be aware the connection that you are about to create. Maybe we took the energy from somewhere else and bring it to the auditorium and then share this energy with them. And most of them feel that they are traveling and they feel that they're going places, and this is what they can expect when they come and share our music. The energy within the music is not really understood even by some professional musicians. In August, we're putting together another Language of the Birds. We do hope this time around we are able to put together not only the music but also the visual aspect of it. What happens over here, you listen to the sound of the birds, you look at the vegetation, it gives you a certain kind of energy. If we can translate this energy into your music, then we would achieve our goals, and that's what we hope to achieve in Language of the Birds.